Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can schedule a post on Facebook group. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Facebook, and when you're going to be here, click on groups here. Let's enter a group, and then when I'm going to write something here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I get to see the schedule here under my name. And now I can schedule the post here. And now change from today to like, I don't know, 24 of December at 90:45. And this is how you can schedule it. And right now, as you can see, I got it at December 24. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So again, you want to write something in your group, go to left top corner to my name, and under the name is going to be schedule. And you can simply schedule post here. And from today, you can go to Friday, etc. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.